Hey, wanted to show you how we're going to be using these wall plates to hang our wall art. So these are hangers. They come in these W shape with these springs. So what you got to do when you see these in your package is that you got to put these on in such a way that they're both facing the same direction. So basically like this. Okay, so now that this is done, this is your plate hanger and it goes behind your plate. To attach it, hold your plate, place it in the direction that you want it to be, hook it from one side, let it be tight from there, and from the other use this to expand the spring and then to put this behind. And once that's done, you can adjust it, and your nail goes in through here, and this is how your plate will hang. I'll come back with a quick show of how the plate goes on the hanger. For now, this is also how it'll look. So you just want it to be taut from the back and it'll look like these. Some of you might have these already attached hooks. Don't worry about it because these fit just as well above it. Your nail will now come here. That's the only difference. Alright? Thanks you guys. We have a plate and the hook in the back. These hangers are in. We're going to figure out how to actually put these up on the wall. So here I've already drilled the nail, and this is called a washer. So in your package you have these. The objective of this is really to ensure that this part of the hanger doesn't slide off the head. So we have this to create a bigger head. Sometimes because of the angle you're not going to be able to stick it in that way. So what we're going to do is actually detach the top bit, attach it up there, and then plug on the hangers back. Okay, let's try it. Okay, first part done. Now we hold this and plug it on. Alright, and there we go. Just readjust the plate to the size you want it to be, and once it looks sturdy, we're good to go. Jyoti. Bye guys.